Hi everyone, Miss Cahill here. In a previous video, I showed you how to download and organize your Notability notebook at VAHS. The next step is going to be to look at how to import and complete a document that I'm importing from Canvas into Notability. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my assignment. And here I have an assignment where I can see that the directions are to import the worksheet at this link. So I'm going to press that worksheet. I'm going to press the share button at the top of the page. So in case you didn't see, it opened up the worksheet and now I have the share button at the top of the page. I'm going to press that. It's the little box with the arrow. And I'm going to select Notability. I'm going to say create new note. And because I want to keep things organized, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a new title. So this here just calls it worksheet. I'm eventually going to submit this document. So what I want to do is put my name. So I'm going to say Cahill, M. And I'm going to do a dash, and I'm going to say story arc worksheet English 2. That's pretty good. That's an identifier. There's not a standard way to do that sort of thing, but that's how I'm going to do it. So once I do that, I'm going to go back, and here it says, for subject, it says unfiled notes. I'm going to go ahead and put it under worksheets. Then I'm going to import it, and when it says done, then that means that the worksheet is in Notability. So now I'm going to open up the application, and you can see that in the worksheets subject, that item is there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill out this worksheet. And the way that I'm going to do that is I want to be able to type. That's going to make more sense for me. So I can press the T button, and that's going to give me the option to create a text box. And I'm going to go ahead and make the text box fit where I want it. And I'm going to choose, for this particular assignment, I'm going to use a story that I wrote. So I'm going to share, describes difference between parents' Christmas style. What about it? And that's how I create a text box. So that's how you import and fill out a document in Notability from Canvas. In the next video, I'm going to have this document filled out completely, and I'm going to show you how to submit it to the web version of Canvas from Notability. See you in the next one.